Right, coming in through the door and turning.
Stay out my bedroom.
Turning left. I will
It's
stay
a
out.
mess.
I will stay out your bedroom.
It's a mess.
I know, that's fine. I'm not interested in your bedroom. This is a bedroom.
What is?
This one here, where I'm stood.
It's a well-insulated bedroom.
A well-insulated bedroom, and next to it is going to be a corridor to that door, and then this, as you can see, is going to be a bathroom, an ensuite bathroom to that bedroom that we've just shown you. That, where there's a workman fixing the electrics, is the wardrobe. Okay, we're going to go back to the main door and we're going to turn right. Now right is another bedroom, Paul.
Huh?
Is that another bedroom?
Where?
Opposite.
That's kitchen.
Oh right, sorry. And what's at the back of it?
Kitchen.
And what's this room with the door?
Kitchen.
Is it all a
Oh,
kitchen?
there's a kitchen and sitting.
Oh, lounge, right.
Well, no, there's a proper lounge upstairs.
All right, so this is,
Get it right if you're doing a video. tomorrow.
this is the kitchen, as you can see, and I am informed that when you go through here, it's also a kitchen, as it looks like a kitchen with a window and goes around the corner. So it's a big kitchen in need of a bit of renovation, and there's a washer, and presumably there's going to be a dryer. Okay, so back into this kitchen and out through the main door to see another workman hard at work restoring a posh table. Right, I'll just pause if I can. No, I can't. Alright, so, right. I'm going to go up the stairs now. And up the stairs, I'm going to turn left. Right. So this is Paul's, at the moment this is Paul's living quarters, and this is Paul's bathroom. So he's got a nice modern radiator and a decent sink unit and a decent shower, so he's not smelly. And then there is, I think it's his bedroom, but we're not allowed in there, so we're not going in there. That's his bedroom now, his bedroom door. So we won't go there. Okay, now we're turning right and just down a couple of steps, and we've got storage and the spare bedroom. Now the spare bedroom is going to have, I think somebody's been here, that wall there behind the bed is going to be knocked through, and that's going to have French windows and a balcony, because there's a door, there's a door at the other side of it which is like above ground, so Paul's going to knock that wall down and put French windows and a balcony. So that'll be quite a nice room, that. And attached to that is the infamous office that he doesn't use because he's got an office down in the village. Okay, so we go back again. This one. Oh, he's into the barn. This is a fabulous space. This is a fabulous space. Just hang on, I'm just going to fold down the, look at this, wow, look at that. At the moment it's storage, so it goes all the way up there and down, and those old barn doors that we looked at outside, those are they. So this is all the work stuff, and then you go a bit over here, just move in towards the door, just walk in towards the door so we can see it. And this is all his, and then up there, up that ladder, I'm not going to go up that ladder, there's a mezzanine that's got a sheet protecting it from the weather, and then up that ladder on the right is right up to the roof garden and the outside roof. But this is an amazing space. And look at that. Look at that there. It's fantastic. Wow. But he's not going to do anything with this because it would cost too much. So he's sort of separating it from the house, and it will be, as you can see, storage. So for bikes and seats and heaven knows what, skis, everything's covered in, as you can, I'll just show you, everything's covered in a nice fine layer of cement dust. But never mind, we're not living in here. So that's the barn. Just hang on, I'm going back again now. And I'm going up some more stairs. Another flight of stairs. Right. Just hang on because they're quite steep. We've got a bookcase on the way up. Cafe races. Rudyard Kipling. Renovating your French home. Doesn't look very red. And we've got now a nice window, a nice view, and the guy next door has got lots of beehives. And this is Paul's lounge and the red up thingy. Nice big telly, nice plant. And this is where Paul lives at the moment. And in here is the kitchen. It's out there. And he's got a cooker and a sink. And this is what was in. This is all original. So he's got a fridge, and he's got shelves, and oh, he's got an oven, and he said he didn't have an oven, and yes he did say he had an oven, and an absolutely ginormous table that he's going to swap for a smaller table because he doesn't need a great big table. So you can see it's got all the gadgets, and this is Paul's living space. So we're going back through the lounge, back through here, and windows are open outside. It's got a gate at the top of the stairs. Oh, amazing. So I think that, I'll just go carefully down the stairs because they're a bit like Dutch stairs. Here's a tour of Paul's house. So we've not done bad there, making sense of that, have we? Okay, bathroom, bedroom, and down the stairs back to the ground floor. Getting this a bit Dutch. See, seeing as I don't want to break my leg and go home with a broken leg. I'm being very careful. Okay, so there you go. You've had a tour. I think I've missed a lounge out somewhere, but never mind. Back to the workroom. Where's the other lounge going to be? Opposite.
Where the second bed is.
Oh, right. Yeah, I've said about you knocking the wall down there.
I'm knocking the wall down.
Yeah, you said you've got a door on the other side.
Oh, yeah.
And opening it up.
Yeah.
So we're just fixing the electrics, and it's brilliant.
What do you reckon? What do you reckon DW stands for? It would have made sense when I wrote it.
Don't wobble.
Dishwasher. Dishwasher. Which needs a 20 amp.
Right.